Ladies and gentlemen, today we want to look at the maximum and minimum function in Microsoft Excel. The maximum function is a type of function which helps to find the maximum number or the bigger number in a range of numbers or in a group of numbers, whereas the minimum function is a type of function which helps to find the smallest number in a group of numbers. So as we can see, we have the sample numbers in the column B. So we're going to use this function to find out the maximum and the minimum number. So without wasting time, I'll go ahead and select one of the cell in column D, and then I will start with the typing equal sign to tell Excel that I want to do a calculation. Then after, I'll go ahead and type maximum, and then I open the bracket. Then I'll put the first value, which is B3. B3 is a cell reference, which is the address that contains 32 as a lateral value. I'll put the semicolon to represent the range. Then after, I'll go and put the last value. Now when I put the last value and then I close the bracket, now you can see all the numbers have been selected. So the range helps to select all the numbers, and then from there now, by using the function maximum, we are going to find out which one is the largest number in that group. So after, go ahead and press enter, and then you realize I have 678. So 678 is the maximum number in the rest in the all of these numbers. Even when you can see it just with your eyes, you can realize that that is the biggest number. To find the minimum number using the min function, still we're going to type equal sign to tell Excel that hey, we want to do calculation. Then after, we shall go ahead and type the main function. This will return the smallest number in a set of values. And then, so we're going to open the bracket, and then you select the first value. We're going to use the range again uh, with a semicolon. Then after, go ahead and type the last value. Then I close the bracket, which will enable me to select all the values as you can see. Then after that, go ahead and press enter, and then you see the minimum value as 21. So in the order of these numbers, it now means that the minimum is 21, or which is the smallest number is 21, and the largest number is 678. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is how we can uh, get to know about the maximum and the minimum, or the smallest and the largest number, regardless of the type of numbers you have. Even if there are millions of numbers, as long as you use the range, you can easily find which one is bigger and which one is smaller. When do we use this function? We use them in many ways in our industries, business, schools. Like for example, in a class, if you have like 500 students and the students do an exam. At the end of the day, if you want to know who performed better in terms of the highest number of score, you can use the maximum, and then you find out who was the best in the subject. So, ladies and gentlemen, I encourage you to go and practice this, and remember to subscribe to our channel so that you can get many videos as they come. Otherwise, we love you so much. Thank you so much.